Hey folks, Fahad FX here. So I'm gonna take dollar index analysis and gold and stock index analysis. So we can start it. Okay. So on to the dollar index, we have already tapped into this weekly order block, and the price taken this sell side liquidity and price moves away and tapped into this key level and also taken the buy side and price came into what discount array. So discount array what, this is an inefficiency. As you know that this new week opening gap, no day opening gap, wicks midpoint are inefficiencies. Okay, what is liquidity? Buy side, sell side are liquidities. Okay, so the price came for inefficiency and price moved up. Okay, what you can see here, like external range external range liquidity to internal, then external. Okay, ERL, IRL, ERL. Okay, it's happening right now. Okay, as you can see right now also it's happening like external, internal. It came for internal range liquidity to take out the internal liquidities and seeking for discounted array, and it going for external. Okay, so the price came down for internal. Let me see that. Okay, resisting this level. Okay, and price is going for external to take this high. Okay, let's hope this high should be taken. Okay, and we need to frame that, will this high is going to taken out or no? Will the did the price have willingness to take this high? We can know by the reaction of this area. Okay, now it's going for the external and the price is resisting this inefficiency. Okay, this inefficiency is resisting the price three times. Okay, let's see the price have today's NFE week, so then it depends on the data. Let's see how it moves, and by according that we can expect this high should be taken out or not. Okay, now next key level I'm looking that if price have any willingness to break this new week opening gap, we can definitely go for this high. And we have a rejection block right up here on this weekly chart. We have a this week midpoint is an inefficiency, this high is a rejection block, and this is a new week opening gap inefficiency. So let's see how it reacts from here. By that accordingly we can expect to take this high, or we can go for lower. Currently the dollar index is bullish and it's going the bullish structure, and it's giving the narrative. Okay, so on going to the daily, let me move these things. Okay, on going to the daily, what you can see here, price have taken this liquidity and it's go for market maker buy model. Okay, taken the market maker buy model, original consolidation, and what, and created high, and it came for sell, short term of market maker sell model, and it came for inefficiency, and it's what, it's continuing the market maker buy model to take this high. Okay, so whole the thing is market maker sell model and buy model. What you can see here, market maker sell model taken this low and creating the low, and market maker buy model and taking out this high. The whole as you can see here, whole things are happening like that. Market maker buy model took take this high, market maker sell model to take this low. Yeah, every whole thing is happening, like even the 1 seconds or 1 minute candle is happening market maker buy model and sell model. Okay, so leave it. So on going to the daily analysis of the dollar, we can see that price have inversed this area. I've already told that this happens on the lifetime. I've already told in my channel. So this is an inversion, and price break this inversion, and once we tapped into this inefficiency, prices multiple times consolidating, and after the consolidation price have taken this low and give us a liquidity sweep, and after the liquidity sweep we should expect some sort of expansion from this area, and still the price is resisting from this balanced area. So this is balanced area because what, we have multiple times driven into upside and downside, we have multiple times driven. Okay, so this is a pure balanced area. So I'm expecting if we could expand from this level, so I'm expecting today should not consolidate again. Okay, should expand from this area because this whole area is balanced. This candle, okay, today's Friday's candle should not need to come into this level. Okay, because what, this area is balanced. Okay, the price should not come into this area. I will show you why I call this is as a balanced price range. Once I go into the lower time frame, I will show you why this is a balanced price range. Okay, according to the price delivery, the price should not come into lower level, because what, this whole range is balanced. Okay, and also the price have on this area we should not need to come also, because this is a breakaway gap. Okay, this area is a breakaway gap, because what, this 1 2 3 4 candles is a kind of a consolidation. Let me go into the 4 hour. Okay, oh shit, 4 hour, right? Okay, what you can see here, it came for low, high, low, high, low. Okay, this is a consolidation. After the consolidation breaks and goes up. Okay, after the consolidation breaks, once we created a gap, that should be a breakaway gap. Okay, I hope you understand the logic. After the consolidation, price breaks and moves upside the inversion, it definitely came as a breakaway gap. Okay, so let me read the order flow for you. So this is a breakaway gap, and price is showing you the real narrative. Okay, let me show you. Leave all this candle, focus on here. Okay, price have taken the sell side, price is respecting this inefficiency and this wicks midpoint, price is moving away, as you can see here, consolidating. We don't know what's going to happen. The next day price gives an expansion. On to the next day, price have tapped into this OB's high. Okay, OB's 1 minute. Okay, OB's midpoint, sorry, OB's high, tapped into it and goes up, and next candle goes up. So we can expect this as a breakaway gap. And what happened next day? Okay, this is an immediate rebalancing. Okay, once we have a breakaway gap here, so whole people are expecting, once we give a fair value gap, they are expecting to come into this fair value gap and going higher. That should be not be happen, because what, we have expansion from this consolidation. Okay, the price should not need to come to fill this gap. Okay, most people are difficulty to know that which is a breakaway gap, which is a fair value gap. Okay, so once we break this, if you're bullish, once we break this consolidation and we form a gap and we have inverse this inversion, definitely it would be a breakaway gap. Okay, anticipate like that. Okay, so once we have immediate rebalancing, we should not need to come here. Okay, and also we have an inefficiency right up here. Okay, I think like the closing price to the opening price. Okay, so where did the price moves up? Okay, this is an inefficiency. Oh, let me see. Okay, this is an inefficiency. By that, the price took the support and goes higher, and the price is rebalanced this inefficiency and going for higher. So yeah, so I hope you understand this level, sorry, this area. So on going to this area, why did I call this as a balanced price range or balanced price area? On going to the 4 hour, we can read the order flow. Okay, we have taken the sell side. Let me draw it clearly. We have taken the sell side, we have balanced this busy. Okay, let me call about like, okay, this inversion. Okay, reprice this inversion and what, and goes and expands and tapped into this OB's opening price and came down and respect this OB. Okay, I hope it's respecting this midpoint. Yeah, so what you can see here, do you feel like this is a random thing respecting this fixed midpoint? I was literally watching this area, and according to that I was shorting on the, I think I was shorting, I don't know, I don't remember. So yeah, I was focusing this area, like last line of defense is this weak midpoint and this OB's mean threshold. If price is bullish, we don't want to see that. Like definitely on this condition, we don't want to came into this mean threshold, because what, this is already a balanced price range. This order block is a balanced price range. Okay, we have a down move, up move, down move. Okay, we don't want to come into this area, and this is definitely a breakaway gap, and we should not need to come this area. Okay, what did happen? Did the price have all the way come to this breakaway gap? No. What is the logic of breakaway gap? Okay, the logic of breakaway gap is the price should not come into the midpoint. Okay, that is a real logic of the breakaway gap. If this price come into this midpoint, I don't refer this as a breakaway gap. Okay, the breakaway gap scenario is the price should only come into this upper quadrant, or else this high. Okay, it should reject from this high. The three candles have been rejected from this high. Okay, the price have no willingness to all the way come to down, because whole this is inefficiency. Okay, on this area, all this area, these whole areas are inefficiency. This area, this small area is balanced. Okay, this area is inefficiency. The price should, why not the price should come here? Because this area is balanced. The price should, if the price is bullish, we don't want to come here. Okay, so by that the price came down and respecting its fixed midpoint and goes up. Okay, so as you can see here, this area is balanced, this area is balanced. Okay, on going to the next part. Okay, on going to the next part, we have displaced higher, we have no imbalance right up here. Okay, no imbalances, no imbalances, no imbalance, no imbalance. Okay, and price have respected this what? Price have respected this inversion. Okay, by going upside, the next candle price tapped into what? This inversion tapped and go for higher prices. Okay, and after taking this high, it came down back for inefficiency again. Okay, what happened? It respects again this inversion. The price should not come into what? This lower portion. Okay, this inversion lower portion should not come the price, because we are bullish, we don't want to see this lower portion should be invalidated. The price should only trade upper portion of this inversion. It shows you the price delivery, the IBDA. It shows you the price interest and delivery. Okay, so the price have respected this order block plus this inversion. The price is showing you the real narrative. Okay, sorry. Then as you can see here, there is a BPR. Okay, this is a current scenario. Okay, we have traded into this inversion and price gives a reaction. So now what I'm expecting, so this whole area is balanced. Okay, we don't want to fail this balanced price range. Why? We are bullish, we have all balanced this area. Okay, if the price came down, I'm not expecting for bullish. Okay, if the price came down, maybe something else is happening. Okay, I don't know what's happening. So it should reject from here. Okay, there is no meaning to come the price down, because this whole area is balanced. If it's coming for low prices, we should take this low, or we should reject from this midpoint. Okay, we should not need to come low prices. The price should only reject from this BPR. Okay, so the validations of BPR is we can all the way come into this midpoint, we should not come into the lower portion. Okay, the body should be not closed below this what? BPR. Okay, so I hope you understand the price delivery, how I read the price. There is a real narrative and real view for reading the price. As you can see here, today is a NFE day, so the price might be some consolidation and choppy, and I'm also looking for this inefficiency, which is today's end dog. Okay, so yeah, so as I say that whole this area is balanced and it's balancing this BPR. We should not need to fail this BPR. We should respect and go away from this BPR. Okay, on going to the hourly, I hope you understand everything. I'm explaining it deeply, so I hope you understand everything. Yeah, it reject from here, came for the inversion upper portion and rejected from here. And what? On the hourly chart, this is a balanced price range. Okay, this is a balanced price range. How I define it as a balanced price range? Let me clearly say that. Okay, we have a pass down, we have a pass up, we came into it and moves away. Okay, so this area is balanced. We don't want to come here. We should not okay, sorry. Okay, we should not need to come this area because this is what balanced price range. I'm dropping like whole gem in this video, whole gem, like everything ICT told I'm going to drop in this video by by seeing this current price action. Okay, so this is the balanced price range. This is the BPR of the 4 hour. We should not need to fail this BPR's midpoint lower portion. We don't want to come here if the price is bullish. Okay, this is an inefficiency. So I hope the price should consolidate between this area. Okay, why did I say that? There is two narrative. Maybe the price can go upside. Okay, or else it should consolidate between this inefficiency and this BPR. Why? We have a NFE day today. Prior to the NFE, the price should mostly need to consolidate. Okay, or the price should not have volume to move away, but the price have given whole move today. Okay, the reason why we have geopolitical tensions and geopolitical condition happening right now. Okay, because of that the price moves extremely directionally. Okay, so it happens, but the price should need to consolidate now. Okay, maybe the price should not need to come the lower prices, but prices resisting from this two area. Price should not need to go this low also. Price have no volume to break this high also. So the price is consolidating between it. Okay, I hope you understand my English. I'm not a proper I don't have much proper knowledge to say English. So yeah, I'm trying myself. I like to speak in Malayalam, but still we have other audience, so by that I'm trying to speak in English. So yeah, so I hope you understand this portion. So this is a 4 hour BPR. We should need to reject from this area. It might be can also come for lower until this midpoint, not lower portion of this BPR, and it should go higher prices. Okay, so I'm going to 50 minutes. Then nothing else in here. Yeah, it maximum can also come into this midpoint, but should not come into this lower portion. Okay, so I hope you understand this portion, and let me go into stocks. Okay, weekly, let me go into the stocks weekly chart. My network is a bit shit, so yeah. On going to the weekly chart in the Nasdaq, as you can see here, we are trading currently right now between 531. Okay, so on to the weekly chart, what happens on the previous weeks. Okay, we have traded into this BC liquidity, like external, internal, external, and what's happening right now. Let's see on the we have a inefficiency right up here. That is only the thing we can see in the weekly. Let's go into the daily. We can I've already analysis the area. We have taken the liquidity. We are rejected from this VIX, and we respect this reclaimed BC and go for higher, and we have a massive liquidity, like low resistant liquidity right up here. The price taken that also. And what should expect next. Okay, on going to the daily chart, we have SMD right up here. We have respected this OB's opening price and going for low prices. So nothing else on the daily chart. We have inefficiency right up here. Let's see if the price have interest to take this inefficiency. Let's see. And on going to the 4 hour chart, as you can see here, SMT OB opening price respected. So whole people, like, this is a 4 hour BC. Okay, yesterday many of the people have been buy from here and made some profit also, and after on the PM session it have reversed from this area. On going to the Asian session, many people hold their long position. They whole long position holding people have been stopped out in this move. Okay, so yeah, as you can see on the dollar, you can anticipate this move. Okay, dollar is bullish, then the stock should be not going for bullish. Okay, there is no reason. Okay, so yeah, so on going to the next days, I'm expecting this inversion. After we invest in this inversion, it should not come into this level. It is not inversed, I'm saying after the inversion. Okay, it might be now, it might be came for higher prices, but after this inversion, after it drops and inverse, drops and retest, on this retest I don't expect the price should come into this area. Okay, okay, now it's not happen, I'm not saying current scenario, once it inversed. So next, once if that inversed, I'm expecting this wicks midpoint and this liquidity. Okay, this is a phantom liquidity, trend line liquidity, so I'm expecting these levels to fail. Okay, once it inversed, okay, not saying current scenario, once it inversed. Okay, on hourly, what we can see here, yeah, same thing. OB, this high has been taken, we have balanced price range here, we break down, we have whole inefficiency right up here. Let's measure this area, we hope some measure of retracement should come here. Okay, let's see, let's hope for it. Okay, I hope the price should come up all the way up and balance this area or respect this BPR lower portion and go for low prices. I'm hoping that. So let's see, I don't want to see whole this inefficiency as not delivered. Okay, I don't want to see like this. Okay, whenever you see multiple inefficiencies are opened, you don't want to see that. Okay, 100% or 200% the price should come and balance this area and going for up, not hold the inefficiencies. Okay, some of the inefficiency should be opened. Okay, okay, and some of it should be repriced or rebalanced. So I'm expecting the price should come all the way up and balance this or this fixed midpoint, or coming down for what, this lower prices, and to balance this inefficiency, this unmitigated inefficiency, it's adjacent to this wicks midpoint. So yeah, and it should go for lower prices to this what inefficiency, because what this inefficiency is not balanced or repriced, it's unmitigated. So the price have not come into this inefficiency, so we can expect some sort of retracement into this level. Okay, so that is, I think that's okay in the stocks. Like we have a massive drop on the PM session and we have consolidating right up here. We can expect some measure of retracement into this level and we can drop until this low and this low. Okay, and on going to the gold, actually I'm not a gold trader, and I'm not a good gold trader, and I don't know much how to analyze it. Okay, on going to the weekly chart, actually we have a high and rejected from this inefficiency, and we break down respective OB's mean threshold, gives a retracement into premium level, tapped into this OB opening price, and it's going lower and tapped into this rejection block, and it's going for lower on the daily. Okay, on the weekly, this is my all over framework. On going to the daily, let me, I hope something SMT right up here, I hope so, let's see. Anyways, okay, there is a SMT, Friday 17, Wednesday 13. Yeah, there is a SMT, right up here, SMT. Okay, we have came into this inversion. Okay, respecting this inversion, and we break down, taken this low, and we consolidated it, and we came low, and we came up for this inefficiency to balance this area, And once we leave this range, okay, once we take this buy side and once we leave this range, we should not come into this area. Okay, this area is balanced. Okay, this is a balanced price range. Once we came up and leaves this range, you should not see this area should be balanced or repriced when we are looking for low prices. Okay, this area should be not tapped again. Okay, and we take this high, and what happens, let me clear out this whole things. Okay, we have came drop lower, we came for this inefficiency to tap, we have tapped, oh sorry, CB, yeah, inefficiency, sorry, CB, and we go for lower. Next I'm expecting the price should come into this fixed midpoint, and also I'm focusing on this fixed midpoint. Okay, yeah, that and we have tapped into this OB, opening price, and we can go for 4 hour. Okay, we have came into this balanced, okay, we are trading inside a balanced price range. Okay, a pass down, pass up. Okay, a kind of a balanced price range. Yeah, we are respecting its upper portion. Okay, you can see that we are respecting its upper portion. As you can see here, what you see, we are respecting its upper portion. And can you say this is a random thing? Okay, on your concept or on your support and resistance and MSNR, and I'm not blaming other concepts, but can you see something like that? Okay, okay, analysis yourself. Okay, yeah, so this is not random, it's showing you the real narrative, and it go for higher to balance this BPR. Okay, and it balanced, as you can see here, the wicks are doing the damage. Okay, the bodies are telling the story. Okay, yeah, I think like this, the balance price range should be drawn like this. Okay, highest high and highest lowest low. Okay, this is the balance price range. Okay, can you see the wicks and the body? I hope you see it. Respected it, go for inefficiency, respected it, and looking for low prices. Okay, and I'm going to hourly. I hope you understand the 4-hour chart. This is the daily CB, respect this midpoint, go for inefficiency, tapped in this BPR. We all hope that we are going for bullish, and I also look for bullish for on this area, and suddenly this BPR failed it, respect this BPR midpoint, and go on for low prices. On going to the hourly, what we have here, we have next BPR. Okay, the lowest low, the highest high, this is the BPR, and respect this midpoint and go for lower, and tapped into this BPR again, and we are looking for inefficiency. I hope, yeah, this wick is tapped, looking for this inefficiency, and we are looking for some inefficiency right up here. This area is balanced area, maybe this area could be taken down into this area. Yeah, and we are going forward this low. This is the analysis of the gold. Yeah, so on going to the gold, this would be my analysis. I hope the gold should be driven into the lower prices. I might be examining the gold should be crash, something like that should be happen. Okay, I might be thinking like the gold should break this low, tapped into this midpoint, gives a reaction and break this low, and I don't know what's going to happen next. So I'm going give you a hint that I expect the gold should crash, like this should be happening. Okay, I hope so. I don't know much things about that, but I hope so this gold is going to crash. Yeah.